Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm standing on board this 2007 Sea Ray 290 SLX. This boat is equipped with the extended swim platform, the hard arch, and the twin engine Mer Cruiser package. Let's climb aboard, check this boat out. As you can see here, nice large seating with a center pass through. Another seat with a flip-up bolster. This will lay flat, as you can see in the photos. You have your battery and key switch into there. Nice wet bar area. Walk up here, you can see the motors have 445 engine hours on it. Flip-up bolster on captain and co-captain seat. There's a nice head unit in there. Large, spacious, open bow. Again, this is a 2007 Sea Ray 290 SLX. For more information, you can call us at 573-606-3022. Look forward to getting you out on the water.